Mohammed Nadeem from Pakistan. The Quran says none can touch it except those who are pure. However, we see that any non-Muslim can touch the Quran. Does it not go against the verse of the Quran quoted that none can touch it except those who are pure? I do agree with the brother that if you go at the superficial meaning of the Quran, what is referring to is the verse of the Quran from Surah Waqia, chapter number 56, verse number 77 to 79, which says, "This is the Quran most honorable, a book well guarded, who none can touch except those are pure." If you go superficial meaning, yes, I do agree that a non-Muslim who's unpure can easily come and touch the Quran, and the Quran is proved wrong. If you see the nuzul of Quran, when were these verses revealed? It was revealed when there were allegations made by the pagan Arabs against the Prophet, that what the Prophet is getting the Quranic revelation, it is from the devil, from the shaitan, na'uz billah. So then this verse was revealed that this is a book most honorable, a book well guarded, who none can touch except those are pure. So this verse is not referring to the normal Musaf, the Quran that we have. It is referring to the Quran in Lawh Mahfuz in the heaven. That none can touch it except those who are pure. Indicating it's not talking about the bodily purity that if you are in wudu you can touch. No, it doesn't refer to that. It's referring to not only purity in body, but purity of mind, purity of sense, total purity, talking about the angels. Referring that no one shall be able to touch that Quran, the original tablet in the heavens, not even the shayateen, not even the jinn, except the angels. And cross-reference, it says in Surah Buruj, chapter number 85, verse number 21-22, that this is the Quran in a tablet well preserved. So this verse of the Quran is talking about the Quran in the Lawh Mahfuz, in the tablet well preserved. No Satan can go close to it, like the allegation laid that the Prophet is getting all these revelations from the Satan, na'uz billah. None can touch except those who are pure, totally pure, talking about the angels. This verse is not at all talking about the Musaf, the copy of the Quran that we have. This Quran, of course, a Muslim can touch it with wudu, can touch without wudu also. This verse is not referring to wudu, it's talking about total purity. A non-Muslim can very well touch the Quran. Even a Muslim, it is mustahab for the Muslim to be in wudu. Even without wudu, a Muslim can touch the Quran. It is not a fard that a person should be in wudu, though there's a misconception among some of the Muslims that you should be in wudu to touch the Quran. It's not a fard, it is afzal, it is mustahab, it is preferable. But this verse is talking about the Quran in Lawh Mahfuz, the original copy. It's not talking about the Musaf, the copy of the Quran that we have today.